Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2. I'm going to touch on some housekeeping information in the beginning, and then we'll go over a couple of things. So welcome to day 2. First off, any assignment that is due today is due by 12:15, which is the end of class. Okay, so try to log on to your classroom stream and complete the assignment that is due today, which is the range of motion quiz. All right, so again, it is due today at 12:15. If you did not do your CPR quiz, I am letting you get that done until 12:15 today. But going forward, you need to make sure that whatever assignments are due are completed before 12:15 at that particular day. Some other housekeeping things, on Friday, we are no longer going to meet for class, but we will have teacher office hours. And my office hours are going to be on Fridays between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. So just email me if you have any questions. We can do a hangout, we can Google Meet, and go over whatever you are struggling with. So tomorrow will be the last class for the week. On Monday, we will actually be doing a Google Meet class. So I'll post the link in our classroom stream. So you need to make sure that you sign on at 11:15 so we can start going over new information. We're not going to be on there for the whole hour. We're just going to go over the new information that you need to know, and then you will do whatever assignments are due for that particular day after the Google Meet is over. So that's first. Second, every day, if we are not doing a Google Meet, I want you to make sure that you refer to the video that is posted on top of the classroom stream. All right, in that particular video for the day, I will give you all the information that you need so that you are getting your grades and your assignments done. Sorry, Sophie's playing actually with her Barbie dream house over here, so excuse the noise. All right, so refer to the video. And then the 3 things that you need to do today are going to be to review the range of motion PowerPoint. Some of you might have already did that yesterday, but really making sure that you drill down on what the maximum range of motions are for each particular joint motion. Okay, so that's the first thing that you're going to do. Second is you're going to complete the do now. So once I post this onto your classroom stream, you're just going to answer the do now question that I'm about to give you in the comments below. Okay, so the do now question for today, all you have to do is tell me what your favorite range of motion is. All right, so again, for the do now for today, in the comments underneath this video, you're just going to tell me what your favorite range of motion is, and that'll give you your 20 points for your do now today. Yesterday, none of y'all must have read or looked at the PowerPoint because only 2 people answered the do now question for yesterday. Okay, so again, make sure in the comments that you leave what your favorite range of motion is so you can get your points for today. And then lastly, I just want to go over some of the range of motions that you might be struggling with, okay? So we're going to start off first with the wrist. Flexion is going to be this way. Extension is going to be going back for wrist extension. Ulnar deviation is going to be going towards your pinky. And then radial deviation is going to be going towards your thumb side. All right, then shoulder. When we're talking about shoulder flexion is going to be forward, whereas shoulder abduction is going to be out to the side. Sometimes that's a little confusing. So shoulder flexion is going forward and shoulder abduction is going out to the side. And then last but not least, we need to talk about the hip. So when we're talking about hip internal range of motion or hip external rotation, then you need to not think about the way the leg is going, but think about the head of the femur. Okay, so if this is the head of my femur and I turn my leg outwards, it looks like it should be external rotation because my leg is going outwards, but you actually have to look at the femur in your hip. Okay, so the head of the femur is actually turning in, so the hip will be hip internal rotation. If I go this way, now the head of the femur is pointing outwards, and now that will be hip external rotation. So hopefully that makes sense. But if you look at the PowerPoint and scroll down to those 2 range of motions, hip internal rotation and hip external rotation, you'll see kind of what I mean. All right, so just note that when we talk about the hip, it is in reverse. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be on the classroom stream or email me. If you have my number, you can call me or text me. But other than that, have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.